Hello everybody! Welcome back! Huh? You didn't recognize me? Oh well, for today's video, I'll be teaching you some simple tips on how to draw a hand. With the help of my sister, of course. She'll be sharing to us some simple tips on how to draw a simple hand. Are you excited? 'Cause I am. Alright, without further ado, let's start the video. Whoop! Let's draw a hand. In this video, we can see different kinds of way how to draw a hand. So make sure to stay until the end of the video, okay? Because it will be so handy. So let's start a simple character without a hand. There you go. Now let's get started. First, you have to draw the finger that is closer to you. Right now, our artist is making a pinky and then the wrist. There's the pinky. And then it was followed up by the next finger, which is the ring finger. And then the thumb. Did you notice the middle finger is behind the ring finger? Half of the middle finger is not seen because the ring finger is in front of it. And of course, the pointing finger. Don't forget, we all have 5 fingers. Next, let's have a simple open hand gesture. Our artist started with the character's wrist, and then it followed by the palm. Some artists use the palm as the base. Then the pinky, the ring finger, the middle finger, the pointing finger, and finally the thumb. Make sure that the middle finger is more taller than the rest of the fingers. Once you're done, look at your own real finger and add some extra details. Next, we'll have a simple peace sign, and the artist started with the thumb. Next was the pointing finger, followed by the middle finger. Then next, the ring finger and the pinky finger are folded, resting at the top of the palm. Then, ta-da! We got a peace finger! Yay! Oh, put a heart there. Next is a simple thumbs up. First, we started with the thumb. And then, the knuckles. Because the artist used the left hand, you don't need to show the fingers. And again, you can look at your real finger to use it as a reference and add some details. Ta-da! There you go, a thumbs up. Here's another technique you can use. Go and grab a paper and a pencil if you like. Cool! It looks amazing! Now for the next one. Wow, you're doing great! Don't forget to like. Brofist! And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell button next to it. If you got interested in how my sister draw, I'll put it on the description below. Her art style are so cool, you gotta see it. Well, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye! Hello, my name is Neil. Anyway, I'm gonna edit that out.